Hello and welcome to this video, hotel tour and review of the Space Hotel KL Sentral in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We start outside at the hotel entrance. We can see the name of the hotel, Space Hotel. After entering the hotel, we can see two space people. One is sitting on a moon, and there is also a stormtrooper from Star Wars. The lobby area, seating area. I like the chairs, they are soft and comfortable. A closer look at the table and chairs. There is also a sofa. Space Hotel room rates. On a weekday, the price is 56 Malaysian ringgit plus 8% tax plus 10 ringgit tax, so the total price on a weekday is 70 ringgit. And in the weekend, the price is 65 Malaysian ringgit plus 8% tax plus 10 ringgit tax, so the total price on a weekend is 80 ringgit. They have Wi-Fi at this hotel and it's working great. I never had any problems with the Wi-Fi. After checking in, we get a room card. On the back there is an important message. If you lose the room card, you must pay 50 Malaysian ringgit, which is pretty expensive. On the way to the room, we see another spacesuit. The entrance to the room, a space door. The room number. An overview of the hotel room. There are upper bed capsules and lower bed capsules. An overview of the upper bed capsule and an overview of the lower bed capsule. This is our room number. Scan your room key there to open the capsule. An overview of the capsule room. There is a pillow, bedsheet and towel. An overview of the right side of the capsule. A control panel with all kind of functions. A headphone jack, USB charging point and a panel to control the room lights. And don't forget to insert the room card first to turn on the power of the capsule. A clock that shows the time and it shows your alarm clock time. It also shows the temperature inside the capsule room. There is a button to control the airflow/air outlet in the capsule room. On the right side we see a power socket, another headphone jack, another USB charging point, a door lock button and a panel to control the mirror lights. If you are laying inside the capsule, this is how it looks. There is also a TV and a clothes hanger, a safety box, a smoke detector/fire alarm, the reading lights and their control panel. On the left side of the capsule, you can take a small table out of the wall, a small table. Next to you, near the pillow, there is some empty space to put some stuff. And above it, there is another clothes hanger. And near your feet, there is more empty space to put some stuff. And another clothes hanger. A picture of the air vent for the airflow inside the capsule. Outside the capsule, there are lockers. Every locker has a room number, an overview of the locker, the entrance to the bathroom, an overview of the bathroom. There is a shower, toilet and sink. There is also a small kitchen area, a microwave and a water boiler, a water dispenser, a seating area with a table and chairs, and sofa chairs. There is also a laundry room, a washing machine, a dryer, and an iron. Thank you for watching, and it really helps me if you give this video a like and a comment to show your appreciation, so I will make more videos.